journey actually began last year when they entered into the regional competitions, secondary kapahaka competitions that took place in Wairarapa, therefore gaining an entry into this year's secondary schools national kapahaka competition up in Whangarei. They've done an amazing job, right through from their tutors, through to the support staff, through to the massive whānau support that they've had to enable them this opportunity to get some feathers on those wings and pick them up to Whangarei. That in itself has been a huge task, and you're about to witness the fruits of their hard and labour. E kaunga, I'd just like to introduce you tonight the female leader. Ai te io ngā ruahine, ngā tiwanui, ngā tikahurunu, Tōrana Turahui, Tōrana Turahui. Manaki Papa. Te wakainani ki te wairarapa. Ngā tai ako, ngā tauira o mua, te manukura wahine, o te wāna turahui, te manukura tāne, Manaki Papa. The chiefs who tutor this group, they put themselves down as ngā tauira o mua, but I'm going to go one further and I'm going to announce the name. Rahira Davis. Anika Morris. Mahina Tate Wadiko. I think there's no difference to other whānau support crews. There's always been past whānau members that tag along there and throw their 2 cents. I'd really like to make mention of Holly Perry, the last year's female leader, last year's head girl here at Naima College, who is one of those people who go in there and show herself, makes herself available to do this and that, and what her tutors require of her. Nō reira, e karewa, I'm not going to harp on much more. O maira, te pakipaki,